Welcome back, Vikings.
Today we interviewed Vikings on what their favorite thing about Winship is,
We have Kelsey and Linda conducting interviews.
and Duran behind the camera. Remember, Vikings,
Vikings strong, we all belong.
What's your favorite thing about Winship and why?
The basketball team because it's where I get to play my favorite sport.
The teachers are pretty nice if you're on like their good side. There's cool things that happens here like the rallies and lunch on the lawn.
My favorite thing about Winship is the students, the staff, just the sense of community that we have here.
My favorite thing about Winship is probably the teachers.
Definitely the staff. Like, shout out Mr. Mitchell. Shout out, I like Miss Puss. Shout out Miss Puss, Miss Cody. Yeah, just all the staff. I really like all the staff. They're really
why?
They're just really nice and they're really cool.
What's your favorite thing about Winship and why?
Well, I think it's the students, very intelligent, and everybody gets along here. I just think it's the students.
Thank you. Mr. Gotti, you're my op. Bro!
What's your favorite thing about Winship? VNN. I like the kids in that class and I like, filming.
My favorite thing about Winship is the culture here. Everyone is very supportive. Students are great.
Basketball and sports.
Why?
That's a sport! Because we get to play with our friends.
I have three favorite things about Winship. I think my first thing is just the natural beauty of this. I mean, like, look at the beautiful trees that are over there. Like, look out that door, and it's just gorgeous.
Yeah. I like the after school program because it brings a bunch of kids together that you didn't think would come together.
My second thing is my awesome coworkers. I love working with the amazing adults here on campus.
And honestly, couldn't be happier to be here at Winship, collaborating and supporting students and staff.
I really like all the people and like everyone here is just like really nice and I have a lot of great friends, so that's what I like about it.
And I think the third thing is working with the amazing students.
The salad bar.
Why?
Because everybody here needs a healthy meal.
Thank you.
Favorite thing about Winship is the sports and how I make long-lasting friendships with them.
like having real friends in middle school and having fun memories and stuff.
My favorite thing about Winship is also the teachers and staff because I love how supportive they are and how I feel like even when I'm having a hard time in my classes, they'll always help me.